Hi class. We're going to be starting chapter 5 this week. Notice that we cover sections 5.2, 5.3, and 5.4. I skip section 5.5. I know you're not too upset about that. So what's interesting about this chapter is that we're going to bring together some of the concepts we learned in chapters 2 and 3, making graphs, calculating the measures of center and the measures of variation, and then also the concepts in probability in chapter 4. And we're going to talk about probability distributions. So we have to understand, and I want you to pay special attention to understand the concept, as it says, of what a random variable is, and also to distinguish between discrete and continuous random variables. This chapter will be focusing on discrete probability distributions, and the binomial probability distribution will be an important concept to focus on. So here's a little graphic about what you'll be seeing in chapter 5. So for example, here a couple has 2 children. Finding the number of girls out of those for those children, how many girls would there be? So in chapters 2 and 3, you could collect sample data, as it says, from families with 2 children. And then find statistics, calculate the mean, calculate the standard deviation. Chapter 4, we were able to find probabilities for each possible number of girls. No girls meant all boys. So if you had 2 children, it means you had one way of finding no girls, meaning a boy first and then a boy second. 25% chance, 1 out of 4. And then finally, chapter 5, what we'll be doing here is creating a model of expected results, similar to what we did in chapter